Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We put this one, go to the right. Next, this one we change dy over dx. Next, we need to do about factorization. In here we have y squared and y squared. Similar for this one, we have s squared and s squared. We divide both sides by y minus 1, 1 plus s, and ds we move on the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So for this situation, I need to put about negative y. Later that we need to add about y. Next, I need to put about negative number 1. Later that we need to add back about positive number 1. About this one, I will put about s. Later that we need to minus about s. Next, I need to minus about negative number 1. Later that we need to add back about positive number 1. Because I want to create about the factor divided by y minus 1 and s plus 1. So we can do about factorization in here. This one we can do another factorization. Now, y minus 1 divided by y minus 1. Similar for this one. S plus 1 divided by s plus 1. Similar for this one. So we will have about y plus 1 over y minus 1. Similar for this one. S minus 1 plus 1 over s plus 1. The integration of y, we have y squared over 2. The integration of number 1, we have y. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of y minus 1. About s, we have s squared over 2. This one we have s. This one we have ln of the absolute value of s plus 1. And we put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.